Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the exact ADT control panel model and the correct replacement battery. This prevents buying the wrong part. Once you have the battery and tools, disable the alarm through your ADT account or call support so alarms won't trigger. Next, cut power. Unplug the transformer and remove the panel's backup battery if accessible. Make sure to keep screws and labels organized so reconnection goes smoothly. You'll remove the control panel cover with a screwdriver, keeping track of screws. Once open, visually note the battery connector orientation and any wire routing. Take a photo if helpful. Then gently unplug the battery clip. Do not yank wires and slide out the old battery. Insert the new battery in the same orientation, reconnect the clip until it clicks, and seat the battery securely in its tray so it won't shift when closing the panel. Once the new battery is in place, reattach the panel cover and reconnect the transformer to restore AC power, then re-enable the alarm system. You should run the panel's self-test and observe status LEDs or menu readouts to confirm charging and battery health. If the panel still shows a fault, make sure connectors are fully seated and polarity is correct. If that doesn't fix it, contact ADT support for guided diagnostics or technician service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.